Riwruok mar Cruise Launch Family odiochieng' ma kawuono chiwo kony mar chiemo kanyakla kod gik mamoko ne jotugo kod jogo eko ma bende ok onyalo kata ok onyalo mar yudo kaka ginyalo konyore kinde mag landruok mar tuo mar COVID-19 e pacho kaendi. Jagoro mare tim mar Cruise Football Manero Migosi Vincent Omolo owacho ni chiemo makamago eko gigolo ne jotugo mawuok e kuonde dak kaka Greenspan, Donholm kod alwora mare. KMCA ma Savannah Ward Manero Migosi Stazo Omungala bende osiro chenro mar konyo jotugo ahinya e kinde gi eki mag landruok tuo mar COVID-19.
Tulikuwa tunasherehekea na community ya Ramu yetu. Sababu ya hii jangwa la corona. So tulisema kama club tuanze na wenzetu, tusiende mbali. So tumeanza mchezo kwa utunzo. So tumeanza na wachezaji kwetu wa Greenspan, Donholm pamoja. Wote tumewapatia chakula na community ya Ramu.
It was a short notice. I was called yesterday that they are doing this event. As an area leader and a friend to most of these guys, my plea was just to come and support them. But I've asked them that next time they do this, they give me like 2 weeks notice. It is good also to chip in as a leader. When your people are doing something, it is good also to at least put something in so that they feel you're part of them. Yeah.
And in this part, the people out there, they could be like giving the leaders all the burden. Do you feel burdened to come out there and help people? Is it overwhelming?
I don't feel burdened. You see, it comes with the job. You don't expect people to know what you're supposed to do. Basically, MCAs are not funded by the government in any way. Our work is only to do oversight in the board. But now you don't expect people to know that. You just come in and help your people because it comes with the job. It's like asking a truck driver how he feels when he's driving from here to Congo. It comes with the job. You don't have to sleep so much to give to the people. So we are working in partnership with the people who've invested in this area and also friends from other places.